4 clues to guess the card. What is it? This is Mark. This is the card guessing game. I will give you 4 clues. You guess what is behind the card. The topic is things at home. In our last video, I gave you these 4 clues. Did you get it correct? Well, we will find out today. So we will review the 4 clues and find out what is behind the card. Here we go. The 4 clues from the last video. Clue number 1. It can be large or small. It can be large or small. Clue number 2. It can be in any room or outside. It can be in any room or outside. Clue number 3. Everyone in your home uses it. Everyone in your home uses it. Clue number 4. We put things that need to be thrown away in it. We put things that need to be thrown away in it. What is it? Did you get it? Okay, well, let's find out how you did. All right, we'll find out if you got it correct. So here we go. Drum roll. What is behind the card? What is it? Let's find out right now. It's a trash can. Great, great. It's a trash can. Did you get it correct? Okay. Let's review this real quick. It can be large or small, of course. It can be in any room or outside, right? If you need to throw something away, you should have a trash can close to you. Everyone in your home uses it, right? So everyone who needs to throw something away, they put it in this, right? The trash can. And of course, we put things that need to be thrown away in it. For example, if you have a banana, you throw away the banana peel in the trash can. If you are writing a letter and you make a mistake, you throw away the paper in the trash can. Okay, great job. Now, of course, there's something else behind the card. What else is behind the card? All right, so I'm going to give you 4 new clues, and in the next video, we will find out what is behind the card. Okay, here we go. The 4 new clues. Clue number 1. It's flat. It's flat. Clue number 2. It can be in any room. It can be in any room. Clue number 3. It is usually affixed to a wall. It is usually affixed to a wall. And clue number 4, it holds things. It holds things. What is it? Okay, so be sure to come back for the next video to find out what is behind the card. All right, so thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. So please go to Patreon, check out those worksheets. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.